To quickly deposit money on Pocket Option, follow these straightforward steps. First, make sure you're logged in into your Pocket Option account on the website or mobile app. Once you're in, locate the deposit button, which is usually at the top of the screen or in the main dashboard area. Click on it, and you'll be taken to the deposit page where you'll see different payment options. Next, choose the payment method that suits you best. Pocket Option offers several methods, including credit and debit cards, e wallets, and even cryptocurrencies. Select the one you prefer for faster deposits using options like credit or debit cards and e-wallets tend to be quicker compared to bank transfers or other methods. After selecting your payment method, enter the amount you want to deposit. Keep in mind that Pocket Option has a minimum deposit amount, which can vary depending on your chosen payment method. Enter the amount and then follow the instructions provided by the platform for the payment method. For example, if you choose a credit card or e-wallet, you'll be prompted to enter your card or account details. Make sure all your details are accurate to avoid any issues. Once you have confirmed your payment details, click deposit to complete the process. Depending on your payment method, that deposit should reflect in your Pocket Option account almost instantly, sometimes within minutes. You'll get a confirmation message on your screen when the deposit is successful. That's all. You have successfully deposited funds into your Pocket Option account and now are now ready to start trading. If you found this guide helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and drop any questions in the comments below. I'll be happy to help you out.